Hey there! Today we're diving into the powerful assignments feature. First, enable the assignments add-on from the Academy LMS dashboard. Here, select the assignment option. Click on Add New Assignment. Fill in the assignment details, including the assignment title, assignment summary, upload attachments if have any, define a time limit, set the total points and minimum passing points. Click Add Assignment to save your changes. Now navigate to the courses. Customize a course where you want to add assignments. Go to the Course Builder section. Expand the Course Builder and click on Add Content. Select Assignment and click Build from Existing. Locate the assignment, mark the assignment you want to add to the course, and done. Here is the assignment that has been added. Hit on Update. Let's see how students can submit their assignments. Find the assignment you want to submit. Provide answer in assignment answer form. Upload attachment. Lastly, click on Submit Assignment, and the assignment will be submitted. And that's how you use the assignment feature in Academy LMS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.